What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, today is Monday, January 5th, and I took an L, so I'll show you guys that in a second. Thank you guys for the new subscribers, I appreciate that. And yeah, let's get into it. So, today, Monday, we had news at 10, so we just have to be careful for 10. This is the stats for today, so minus 500. So as of right now, I only have 1k drawdown left. So how it's gonna go is I'm gonna risk 500. If I lose that 500, 250, 250. And that will mean that I lost 5 trades in a row. So as of right now, Friday I lost by a tick. Today I lost by a tick again. I'll show you guys in a second. It sucks, but there's really nothing I can do about it. Legit price comes, stop me out, and then go full TP. Same thing as Friday. So that's 500, that's 500. So I have another 1k left. 500, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and then 4 day, 5 day. That was my trade right there. Alright, let's get into it. Let me just go. Alright. Let's go into replay. And yeah, don't mind the new color. I just like black, so normally I was using this one right there, which is nice too, but this one is clean too, so that's why. Alright, let me just alright, so coming into market, let me go back to replay. I'm already into replay, nice. Coming into market, what can I see? We have these draws right there, we have London high right there, and we have these draws right there, right? These lows. Now I didn't mark them because we didn't end up filling them or sweeping them, so yeah. What else can I see? Well, as of right now, I can see this 15-minute fair value gap, but I won't mark it as of right now. Well, let's see. So macro starts, we just have nothing, 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 nothing. Here we got a fair value gap, but like I said, we're on this zone pretty much, so I'm just waiting for clear displacement. Now if we go back to the 15-minute that I was saying, if we mark it, I can see that we are pretty much respecting it. So from there, we're like, okay, I'm gonna start looking for longs after news. So let me remove this. So at news 10:01, we fill again this gap and then push higher. So from there, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna look for longs. We have these buy side that we can target, or these highs later, right? So fast forward, right there, we got a gap at 10:10. At 10:10 was my entry. So I entered, I got filled around half. I was looking for a 50. I had 50 ticks for 100 ticks. Now I moved my TP to this draw right there, but that didn't matter really. And I ended up just getting stopped out to the tick. Of course, when I get filled, it's probably like that, so, Again, legit, just by a little tick, I got stopped out, and then, multiple ticks, honestly, but anyway. And then, I guess my 1-2 would have gotten hit, and then 1-2-3 right there. Regardless, I was lucky to even get in at half, because if I was to get right there, regardless, my stop would be right there, but really didn't matter. 10-12 would have stopped me out. And same thing as Friday. I was like, no, I got stopped out. It's already 10-12. That's it, right? One trade a day. So I'm doing everything great, like everything perfectly, but I'm still getting stopped out and stuff. So yeah, that was the recap. Nothing else I can say. I didn't get any other 1 minute for value up setup that I could have entered off. That was it, honestly. Now, tomorrow, hopefully we win correctly. Do we have news? Tomorrow we don't have news. All right. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow we win 2RR so I can get back to 50k on the account. From there, just keep stacking up, so hopefully we can get at least one payout. Technically speaking, let me just check something out. We're at 49. Let's say tomorrow I win. And the next day I win, so Tuesday, Wednesday. Then say I get stopped out once. And I win Friday. Whew. So I really need to win every single day in a way. Alright, we'll see. The only reason I'm saying that is because I have some payment to do, so, you know, I'm just being honest. This doesn't mean I need to rush the process, because worst case scenario, I'll get payout the next week, right? But yeah, thank you guys for the new subscribers, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.